Hello, good morning. Thank you for this chance. My name is Prakash Khadka. I am 22 years old. I am from Arganhaji district, Nepal. I am single. I have five members in my family. My education is plus two passes. My height 5.5 feet and weight is 62 kg. I am medically fit and fine. My hobbies are playing football, volleyball, watching movie, traveling, cooking, etc. Telling about my work experience, I have 2 years of work experience as a factory worker in Nepal. I want to come to an European country as a factory worker to earn money and support my family, secure my future. I can do loading, unloading, cleaning, and weightlifting, operating machine, material handle, safety, etc. I will stay there for the long term, may 5 6 years. Also, I will follow in company rules and policies. Thank you. Thank you.